Brooks exclusive.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Giz, and I am back with an unboxing. I wanted to come really quick just to share with you all this unboxing from BagShokum.com, and they were so kind enough to reach out to me and send me a bag of my choice. So I wanted to make this introduction. Alright, so if you're interested in that bag, don't forget to check out their website, and I'll see you in the video. Alright, let's go to the video. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Brandy Giz, and I'm back with an unboxing. I was sent a package and I wanted to share with you all what was sent to me. It came FedEx, and I'm going to do the unboxing right here. Girl, I don't even know what's in here, but I know a few companies reached out to me and they wanted me to share with you all. I think it's a purse. What y'all think? It's not really heavy, so I know it can't be any shoes. Let's see. Okay, come in a box like so. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what is in here. I need a box cutter. I keep forgetting. I have to tell my husband to get one. Probably in the garage somewhere. Messing up my good. Ooh. It's by Fendi. Alrighty, so yes, it is from Fendi, and it is a cute bag. We're gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna open it up so that I can share with you all. Let's see, inside of this little envelope houses, just telling you about it's a gentle product, how to care for it, and all of this stuff. What else is in here? Oh, okay, and the tag. They have this really neatly wrapped. See, you ain't even know what was inside. That's what I'm talking about. When they know how to kind of camouflage it so that people won't be looking at your products and stuff in the mail, because this is like that Christmas, New Year's time where people be trying to steal people's packages in the mail. But yeah, it was nicely boxed, and you have your dust bag that says Fendi on it, Fendi Roma, and we are going to take it out. Okay, it's nicely wrapped and everything, and girl, it's like a present. This is like the exciting part, okay? Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. Okay, it's like a cloth bag. All right, yes. Oh, this is cute. All these colors. I can actually wear what I have on today. It is really nice. This is cute, and this is one of their bags. And this bag is the Baguette Canvas Bag Multicolored Beige 2021, and it's a Fendi high quality bag. It's still in stock, and it retails for $338. Okay, I'm gonna take out everything. But this is of the bag, and it also comes with two straps. I left some plastic on here. Gotta take that off. Okay, yeah. So it comes with two straps. It doesn't have anything written on here. It's just nice little leather straps with the two gold hardwares. And it also comes with like this khaki and dark brown. Yeah, this khaki and dark brown strap as well. It's not adjustable or anything, so this is like that going out purse. We're gonna, and it just has Fendi like written right here. Let me bring it closer so that you can see. Yeah, it has Fendi. So this is like that so this is like that shoulder bag, you guys. Okay, Let me see. Do I have it on right? Yep. This is like that shoulder bag, guys. If you just want to go out and I don't know where you at, but this is that cute little shoulder bag, and it's very roomy. Okay, so you have the different colors. You have the different color fabric on here. I want my camera to show you. Yeah, that is the true color. So this is the bag right here. It is a cutie, guys. It is different from the bags that I usually have. It is that cloth material. It is like a tan looking shade, and it basically can go with anything because you have the oranges, the yellows, the blues, browns, any color. If you like, even what I have on, I could probably still rock this. And I'm going to show you how this strap looks with it on. The only con about this purse is that there is not an adjustable strap. So I think that this strap that I'm putting on right now is going to be a little bit too short for like that crossbody look. I'm going to show you. So I don't even have to stand up. It's going to be too short for a crossbody look, but it is super, super cute, you guys. So that's the only con about the purse, but the purse is super, super cute. I don't normally wear purses like this on. I like it more close to me, against me. Yeah, so I'm going to probably take off this strap. Let me show you how the purse looks inside so that you guys can see. This is how the bottom is made, and it's kind of like all the same all around. And I'm gonna open it up so that you guys can see how it looks inside. And it can house a nice amount of product, like a nice amount of things for your purse. It has a zipper compartment, and it has Fendi logo right here so that you guys can see that. Okay, yeah, so yeah, it has a zipper compartment, not too much room. This is just that going out purse, really quick errands. You could throw like your phone in here, maybe a comb, some lip gloss, some lotion, let's see, AirPods, stuff like that. And I'm just gonna take everything out, and that's what I have in this purse. It fits. This is like that cute little girly purse if you like that color for the summer. Actually, you can wear this. You can wear this in the winter, fall, any season. It's just that purse. It just goes with everything. So yeah, I thought it was cute. And this is how the strap is. I'm not too fond of the big strap, but I do like the hardware on here. Looks good. It goes with the purse. I'm liking this purse, like, you know, wearing it like so, or, you know, against me. I just think that this is so cute and fun. It's like that purse you go to a baby shower, or you go into a quick daytime birthday party. This is that bag. Okay, so yeah, and I like it because it has a, although it's cloth, you have that leather strap right here, and it just goes well. It's a cute bag. What y'all think? I think it's gorgeous. Okay, and this is leather. You have this little buckle part. It's leather, and then the buckle is like that brass, gold brass. Again, shout out to them for sending me this here bag. I'm gonna list all of their I'm gonna link the company that sent me this bag down in the description section of the video. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.